The best pasta I've ever had. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making the viral one pot pasta. The viral recipe, which is one pot pasta, it is for grown-ups because it put the spice in, and I hate spices. So I'm gonna try and make it the kids' way with all my kids' stuff. In the caption, my mom will put the kids one and the grown-up one. So you can follow it whichever one you want, but you won't hear my voice. I'm sorry. Let's get cooking. First, you take a pot where you want to make your pasta in. Guys, this is the easiest recipe. All you gotta do is just dump everything in, cook it, and then you have a nice one pot pasta. Call it whatever you want. I'm using the small pot, so because this is just me and mom. So exactly, you can use whatever pot you want if you have more people at your house. First, in your pot, drizzle some olive oil. Add your onions. Add cherry tomato. Add pasta. Add whatever pasta you like. Add garlic. Add tomato paste. We have already added tomatoes, so just add a very tiny bit of tomato paste or it will be too tangy. Now add cream. Now add your water. Now add some water. Oh,
that's okay.
Add the whole thing. Now add salt. Now Italian seasoning. Now let's cook it. Now you put this on your gas, cover it, and cook it on medium heat. Oh, I didn't see the lid. Oh, that's hot. Can't wait. Add sugar. My brother was just saying add sugar. Look at that, baby. Now you add whatever cheese you want. Guys, this is ready. Tasting time! The cheese is all right. The sauce is good, and it's kind of sweet too. And this is just the best pasta I've ever had.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it so delicious?
Yeah. It's one pot pasta.
Yes, I like it.
Bye guys, enjoy my video. Guys, this is ready.